Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that belongs to the world of chemical sciences. A gas, generally harmless and non-toxic to humans. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as helium, helium, yum. Helium. Helium is a composition of individual words. Heli comes from the Greek word helios, meaning sun, because it was first discovered in the sun's spectrum. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about helium, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.